So today's conversation, what we're going to be having in the van, is about engineers changing their mindsets. And this is another important sector in success, because engineers, or even anyone out there in general, but I'm focusing on engineers, but as I said, it's still open to other people. Your mindset determines your level of success. It determines where you are in life, what you're going to achieve, and what you believe you can achieve. So let's look at, as I said, the engineers. And these guys, they're already believe that they're successful. They believe they're doing great in their business. And I don't want guys to take this the wrong way. I'm not knocking anybody on levels of success. However, wherever you're at, you could do better. You could enjoy more success by simply changing the way you think, looking at things differently. We've got 4 levels of learning, which I've been discussing in other videos. Now, what a lot of people don't know is they don't know. They don't know that the fact is there could be something better than what they're doing. There could be more success, more. Your bank account could be bigger, your life could be better, your happiness could be more enhanced. So no matter where you're at, you could, and it's possible to achieve more. It's nothing about greed. It's nothing about stepping on other people's toes and standing on someone else. It's just about thinking differently, working smarter, but not necessarily working harder. Now, what I'm trying to do with what I'm doing is showing, and I've demonstrated that by me working in the way I've been working, with a different mindset to how I used to be 10 years ago, my success is increased dramatically, and I've not worked no harder. I've just changed my mindset, changed the way I think, look at things differently, and it has enabled me to achieve more. And this can be the same with you. And it's like, what I'm doing, I'm working in a teamwork environment. I'm working with different engineers at different levels and showing how we can work together by simply changing the way we think. Now, you might think, that's a load of rubbish, I don't need to do that. But I guarantee, if you opened your mind and just looked at the information, what I've been looking at for the past 8 years, and you would see so much difference. Your eyes would open up to lots of different experiences. Now, again, with Isaac, he's seen lots of this type of information. So I just want you, Isaac, to just give me some input from what I've just been saying.
Yeah, what you've been saying is correct. It's nice that you acknowledge other engineers out there on the level where they are, which I think is respect. Well, the thing is, most engineers out there don't understand that they have a fixed mindset. From all the audiobooks I've been listening to with you, where I've been with you in the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks now, I've realized that there are a lot of things that we don't know. But the fact is, the sooner you know you don't know, the better for you. So I tend to agree with what you say, because a lot of achievements, a lot of money to be made, a lot of good relationship with people, a lot of family issues to be settled if you have a very, very positive mindset. That's what I would say to it.
Excellent, yes, absolutely. So I urge you engineers out there to just take a look. Just take a look. It's not going to cost you nothing. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You can just simply start by looking on the Masterful Engineer website. Click on the link below and just give it a go, because you don't know what you don't know. Try it. You've got nothing to lose. And that's the end of this video. You can find out more about this subject by simply willing to listen, and click the link below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.